Okay. Number 2, passenger safety briefing complete. Number 3, weight and balance, SBs, ADs, and limits in compliance. Number 4, IGOG weather, check. IG, MCP, max 5-minute power, takeoff power, and VNE, check. Seat belts, you are getting yours on. I'll come back to that.
Almost checked, yep.
Fuel valve is shut off. Yep. And
smell that gasolina.
Yes.
Some spilled, huh?
No, it shouldn't have. Oh my gosh.
It's okay, don't worry.
Can we take it out? I don't want it to be...
It evaporates.
Yeah, but I think we need a new towel too.
Alright, let's do this. Here.
Yeah. And then maybe...
I'll do this.
And then we'll put...
Let's leave that one. I'll go like this. It's gasoline. So
wow.
It's different gas. This is gas. This is pure gas. Gasoline.
Like at the pump.
This is aviation 100 octane pure gasoline. What you get at the pump is 90% gasoline and 10% alcohol. Ethanol alcohol.
Oh.
They add alcohol to your gasoline.
Why?
To reduce emissions.
Oh.
Because alcohol burns cleaner than gasoline. If you ever go to your gasoline pump in your car and go walk up to it,
yeah,
you'll see this. You'll see a label, and it'll say this gasoline has as much as 10% ethanol alcohol added to help reduce carbon emissions.
I'm gonna have to look next time.
Yeah, and that's why it smells different. Have you noticed the difference in smell?
A little bit.
You're smelling alcohol, a mixture.
Yeah.
And there's other additives that are in there, and that's why it doesn't evaporate like.
Yeah.
This stuff, gone.
I know. I just looked at that.
That stuff, it sticks around and it stays on.
I know. I know.
I spilled it on my shoes.
Oh.
And I had it on my shoes for the whole car drive home, and I'm like, oh no, tomorrow I'm gonna be smelling it, and it finally went away.
Yeah.
But
okay, I'll be careful next time.
Yeah, I'm gonna go take this back.
Okay. Cyclic frictions off. Okay. 8 through 13. Ooh, those are squeaky. Okay. Those are all good. Neutral. Where did I put my thing? Here it is. Okay. Alrighty. Altimeter and flight instruments. 30.18. All leveled out. Yes. Number 15. Clutch actuator switch disengaged. Yes. All avionics are off. Number 17, trim is in and off. Mixture guard, push in. Carb heat is unlocked. Primer, we don't have. Landing light is down and locked. Landing light is off. Governor is on, leave on. Circuit breakers are disengaged. Rotor brake is off, disengaged, and the map switch is off. Master switch is on. Strobe light on. Area clear. Throttle 1, 2, 3. It was pretty cold. Now in detent. I'll wait until he gets back. I'm gonna wait until you get in here before I start, because I just primed it for 3. Yep. I was gonna do 4 because it was really cold and hard to. Okay, here we go. I'm going to now throttle closed in and detent, and now I'm gonna start. Starter light is out. 50 to 60. Now am I supposed to make it go 50 to 60?
Yep.
Okay, because sometimes it just does. Starter light out.
If it's warmed up, it will.
Okay, so clutch switch and alternator are on. Blades are turning within 5 seconds. So here we go. We are back at cylinder head. Let me see. 8. Okay.
Private Alpha 6 is closed. Bravo 10 sign out of service. Alpha 1.
That's my 11. Oh, I'm going to do 119. I'm so, wait, no, I can hang with that. And
Race 2100 local through 0600 local. Hazardous weather information for Arizona is available on high WASP or flight surface frequencies. Advise on this one contact. You have information. Romeo.
All right, so these are my 2 ATIS. Now this one is standby, so that one's not.
Temperature 06, 2.02, altimeter 3020. Spec visitor approach runway 21 in use. No chairman.
And let's add a little bit of heat too to get that.
Alpha 6 intersection tax lane between Alpha 5 and Alpha 6 is closed. Bravo 10 sign out of service. Alpha 1, 2, 3, 4 intersection. Alpha taxiway south. Alpha 5 is closed. A work in progress. Runways and taxiways closed nightly, Mondays through Fridays. 210.
All right, now is there a monitoring thing on here? Because it feels like there's, or sounds like there's.
Flight surface frequencies. Advise on this one contact. You have information. Romeo.
Romeo. All right.
Scott Sarah for information. Romeo 1453 Zulu. Winds calm. Temperature 06, 2.02. Altimeter 3020. Spec visitor approach runway 21 in use. No chairman. Use caution. Cranes in the vicinity of the airport at 300 GL. Alpha 6 intersection tax lane between Alpha 5 and Alpha 6 is closed. Bravo 10 sign out of service. Alpha 1, 2, 3, 4 intersection. Alpha taxiway south. Alpha 5 is closed. A work in progress. Runways and taxiways closed nightly, Mondays through Fridays. 2100 local through 0600 local. Hazardous weather information for Arizona is available on high WASP or flight surface frequencies. Advise on this one contact. You have information. Romeo. Scott Sarah for information. Romeo 1453 Zulu. Winds calm. Temperature 06, 2.02. Altimeter 3020. Spec visitor approach runway 21 in use. Chairman, use caution. Cranes in the vicinity of the airport at 300 GL. Alpha 6
Romeo.
Tax lane between Alpha 5 and Alpha 6
I'm going
is
to
closed.
switch this. Yes, Romeo. Where? Is it the volume? No, that's not the volume of this.
So there was just background noise is what it was. When the guy was reporting,
Oh, okay.
when he was recording the thing, he had other guys in the background talking.
Okay.
3 November Sierra,
ATIS is set. Check. Intercom. Wait for clutch lights out. They are out.
Yep.
And I am going to make sure my circuit breakers are all in. And now I'm going to warm it up to 70 to 75.
Okay.
Okay, rolling towards you.
And I like to start
Oh,
our
yeah.
flight timer.
That's right. On that. Okay. Cylinder head, temp, and oil. Technically, they have a little bit touching in the green, so I'll let them warm up.
Once they touch the green, you're in the green.
I know that one just looks a little bit like it's stuck on the white, but I know it's just my angle probably.
Well, if you look at it,
Yeah.
look at the top,
Yeah.
lean forward, it's just inside the green. It's
Oh,
touching
wow.
the green. Once it touches the green, you're in the green.
Okay. I have to get used to that because I'm like either, one or the other. All right, so next one, warning lights are out. Now I'm going to do the mag drop, and that is number, let me just keep my numbers check, 820. Okay, I'm keeping it at, hold on, 75 a little bit more. Okay, 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 1. Let it read that. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000. Okay, we're looking good right there. Carb heat, got it. It's full pulled right now. Doors locked.
My door's closed and latched?
Yes. Number 24, cyclic and friction's off. Getting ready to fly. Okay. Ready. Okay. So now, it's kind of a little awkward. Governor on and throttle on to 82. I'm going to let the governor take over. You. Sorry for overspeed. All right, that's at 104. Clutch light just came on 1,000. 1,000.